Imagine turning your cluttered garage into a mechanic's dream, lifting your car effortlessly with precision and safety. Today, we're diving into the best residential garage car lifts that transform your space, save hours of work, and make car maintenance an absolute breeze. From sleek designs to rock-solid performance, these lifts are the ultimate game-changer for any car enthusiast. Ready to elevate your garage to the next level? Let's go! Number 5. Triumph NSS 8 packs a powerhouse punch with its massive 8,000-pound load capacity, making it perfect for cars, trucks, and serious home garages. Built from rugged carbon steel and styled in sleek gray, this 4-post lift not only delivers strength but also maximizes your vertical space effortlessly. Store one vehicle on the lift and another below without hassle. With an impressive overall height of 84 inches, runway length of 165 inches, and a generous 93-inch drive-through width, it's designed for smooth access and secure positioning. At 175 inches long and paired with its reliable bottle jack style, this lift turns any garage into a professional storage and service zone. Number 4. Mayflower Blacksmith delivers serious power and convenience with its 4-post Lift Pro 8000. Built for anyone who wants professional-grade lifting at home or in the shop. With a massive 8,000 lb load capacity and a lift height up to 72 inches. It handles cars, SUVs, and storage with total confidence. The rugged alloy steel frame, 110 V3 HP motor, and single-point safety lock system with 10 secure positions give users reliable control every time. It comes fully equipped with a jack tray, 3 drip trays, caster kit, and smooth approach ramps, perfect for easy setup, service, or stacking vehicles. Number 3. A-Plus Lift delivers serious performance with the HW8 SXLT. Built for anyone who needs strength, space, and reliability in a car lift. This 4-post beast handles up to 8,000 pounds with confidence. Thanks to its alloy and carbon steel frame and CE-certified hydraulic system tested to 115% dynamic and 150% static load capacity. Its extra tall, extra long, and extra wide design gives you a massive 82-inch lifting height and 99 drive-through width, perfect for trucks, SUVs, and storage. You also get a free caster kit, jack tray, drip trays, removable ramps, and power cord, plus a 36-month parts replacement warranty, making it one of the smartest and safest investments in any garage. Number 2. Bendpack HD 9,000 pounds 4-post car lift is a powerhouse for any garage or shop. Designed to handle heavy-duty vehicles with ease. With a massive 9,000 pound capacity, 75-inch maximum lifting height, and robust stainless steel construction, it delivers unmatched strength and reliability. Features like dual-hub cable sheaves, heavy-duty aircraft cables, automatic safety locks, large base plates, and multi-level locking positions ensure smooth, safe, and precise lifting every time. Its longer approach ramps and low-deck runways make vehicle access effortless, making it the ultimate solution for serious car enthusiasts and professionals. Number 1. Stratus 4-post 8,000 lbs capacity car lift is a powerhouse for any garage. Combining heavy-duty strength with smart, compact design. With an 8,000 lbs lifting capacity and max height of 86 inches. It handles cars effortlessly while saving space. The manual safety lock release and cable failure protection ensure maximum security, while the skid-proof diamond platform and 13 locking positions provide stability and versatility. Its relocatable power unit and mobile casters make it easy to move, and the powder-coated granite gray finish adds durability and style. Perfect for professional or home use. In conclusion, investing in the best residential garage car lifts is the ultimate way to maximize your space and protect your vehicle collection. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.